Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, I shall give you some questions for practice. You will try these questions. I shall also give you answers. If you find any problem, then that you can write me in the comment section and I shall help you in that case. So let us take first question, practice questions. Practice questions. First question, solve the following. Solve the following system of linear equations graphically. Graphically. So the equations are 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. And shade the region between two lines and x-axis. Its answer is x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1. You can check this. Second question, draw the graphs of the following equations. Draw the graph of the following linear equations. Draw the graph of the following linear equation on the same graph paper. Equations are 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 and x minus y is equal to 1. Then find the coordinates of the vertices. Find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by the two straight lines formed by the two straight lines and y-axis. Answer is vertices are A 0 4, B 0 minus 1, C 3 2. Then we take third question. Third question for practice. Draw the graphs of x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and x-axis, and shade the triangular area. Also calculate the area bounded by these lines and x-axis. So the answer is 7.5 square units. Next question 4. Solve graphically the following system of equation. Linear equations which are 2x minus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Also find the coordinates of the points. Coordinates of the points where the lines meet axis of y. So the answer is, solution is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, and the points at which the lines intersect axis of y, they are 0, 4 by 5 and 0, 8. So these are some very important questions from the last year's CBSE board papers. So please solve this, try this. If you find any problem, then you can write it in the comment section. I shall help you in that case. So thank you. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to your YouTube channel, Mathematics for Everyone. Thank you. See you in the next video.